if you're working, listen, give it a little closer, because I'll be complaining about the mic and the audio, but bear with me. Bear with me. Turn your volumes all the way up. But if you're working towards something, if you know you're grinding towards that thing, why worry that it's not here yet? Why try to rush yourself and try to put denial into your mind of how you haven't, of how it hasn't reached here yet, of how you haven't achieved this yet? There's no need to, there's no reason for you to be in denial that it's not here yet. Only thing that we must do when we're working towards that thing, the only thing we need is patience, because we're already working so damn hard. We're already doing as much as we can. If you're not, well, you're probably doing something. And then if you're not doing something, at least do something, because then you're gonna be a fool if you're just wishing and not working towards it. But any little work that you're doing, even though the goal that you want to achieve is not his yet, just have patience. Just have patience. Everything will come into fruition. Everything will come in due time. Every single thing. And I said this late last week to someone. I've said that I've never once seen God not reward hard work. I've never once seen God not reward hard work. Remember that in the back of your mind. So please have patience, because it's just a matter of time before you get the goal, before you achieve the thing which you always wanted. Everything of work takes time. We know this. Every single thing of work takes time. So just understand that it's therefore only a matter of time until you get that which you always wanted. Because I've never seen God not reward hard work. Never once seen God not reward hard work. So keep going, keep moving ahead, keep pressing on, keep taking that step, because it's only a matter of time.